Hey guys, Justin here. I'm in Sai Ying Pun right now, and finally more MTR contents this week. Last week I didn't do any MTR videos because the week before the last week I've gone and filmed MTR for 2 days. So last week we have only done a bus video, but this week we're going to resume our MTR journeys. According to the caption,
the train to Taiwan is arriving.
According to the caption, violet with blue. What does that mean? Were we going over to North Point? Because of the violet tranquil line? No, we're gonna go to Causeway Bay because of the colors of the station. See, Sai Ying Pun right here is purple, and Causeway Bay is also violet/purple. So let's go ahead and do this journey. Sai Ying Pun to Causeway Bay. Here we go. Wait for train leave. I hope you guys have watched my last video of talking about the rules on requests. So hopefully I can see some better and I can have some other pretty good requests coming up very soon. Now I have a lot of requests right now, so that's why I might close the request list again for now, but you guys can feel free to comment. But again, please follow the rules that I've said last time. Showing one here. So if you guys have not watched the rules on request video, remember to click the card up top to watch that one. It's a very important video, so remember to click the card there and watch the video. It's around 15 minutes of a lecture video, so remember to watch that one. Line and Airport Express. Doors will open on the left. Okay, so there are someone shouting actually very close to me. And you guys might be thinking, is it kids? Actually, are young adults shouting. Gosh, dang it. Central. I'm sitting on the left here because most of the stations open on the left. So. Central. Is Central anywhere? There's a Central. Central. How many more stations? 3 more stations to go. What's the number of this train? C135. Let's mark down the numbers.
Next station, Admiralty. Interchange station for the South Island Line. Doors will open on the left.
Quite a lot of people right now, so I won't be filming upwards to film the map, you know. Especially later with the app, okay? I have no idea how crowded the train will be. But I'm kind of at the back of the train, so might be not too many people back here. Okay, just kidding. Just kidding. Everyone walk back here. Oh my gosh. Okay, the windows again is not very good. Jeez. Right. Admiralty. That's a lot of people. Admiralty, 2 more stations to go. We're gonna step on the doors of the station. Now you clearly see the doors definitely have slowed down at the end there. Sometimes I just have some fun messing around with the train doors, but yeah, that's something that you should not do. So one shy.
Please stand back from the train doors.
Here we get off at the next station.
Causeway
Causeway Bay. Here's another Violet station. We're going to get on. Causeway Bay. There's a tons of Causeway Bay around here. So, now better than Quarry Bay. Last time, if you guys have subscribed to Chris's channel, Chris had filmed a kind of an MTR highlights video type of my channel. It's like that. He did Quarry Bay. He showed there's a Quarry Bay right here, a Quarry Bay right here, and then Quarry Bay, Quarry Bay, Quarry Bay, Quarry Bay, all these, which is pretty funny. So, alright, there goes that train. Basically, it's just like Quarry Bay at every single block, which is pretty funny. But we're ready to try to leave. Remember to like and subscribe. Click the bell so that you can get notifications when I post. Click on these videos up top. Subscribe to my bus channel. And if you guys want to follow my Instagram, link is in the description down below. So go ahead and check that out. And peace.